Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI tools and technology. Whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast, this video will help you understand what AI tools are, how they work, and how they're changing our lives. Make sure to watch till the end for some amazing examples and tips. What are AI tools? Let's start with the basics. AI tools are software or applications that use artificial intelligence to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, and even creating art or music. Some popular AI tools you might have heard of include ChatGPT for text generation, DALL-E, and Midjourney for creating images, Grammarly for checking grammar, and Synthesia for making AI videos. These tools use complex algorithms and huge amounts of data to learn and improve over time. How do AI tools work? AI tools work by using machine learning, which means they learn from data. For example, a language AI like ChatGPT is trained on millions of books, articles, and websites to understand how people write and speak. Image AIs are trained on thousands of pictures to recognize objects, faces, and even emotions. When you use an AI tool, it takes your input, processes it using its trained model, and gives you an output, like a written answer, a generated image, or a corrected sentence. Real-world uses of AI tools. AI tools are everywhere. In business, they help automate customer service, analyze data, and even write emails. In education, AI can help students learn languages, solve math problems, and get personalized feedback. In creative fields, artists and designers use AI to generate new ideas, create music, and edit photos or videos. Even in healthcare, AI tools help doctors diagnose diseases, read X-rays, and suggest treatments. Popular AI tools you should know. Let's look at some popular AI tools. ChatGPT for writing, brainstorming, and answering questions. Canva AI for designing graphics and presentations. Grammarly for checking grammar and improving writing. DALL-E/Midjourney for creating unique images from text prompts. Synthesia for making AI-generated videos with avatars. Google Bard for research and information gathering. Each of these tools has unique features and can save you a lot of time and effort. Pros and cons of AI tools. AI tools are powerful, but they're not perfect. The pros include speed, efficiency, and the ability to handle large amounts of data. They can help you be more creative and productive. However, there are also cons. Sometimes AI makes mistakes or gives wrong answers. There are also concerns about privacy, data security, and the impact on jobs. It's important to use AI tools wisely and understand their limitations. The future of AI tools. The future of AI tools is exciting. We can expect even smarter assistants, more creative possibilities, and new ways to solve problems. As AI continues to improve, it will become an even bigger part of our daily lives. But remember, AI is a tool to help us, not replace us. The best results come when humans and AI work together. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech explainers and AI tool reviews. Let us know in the comments which AI tool you want to learn about next.